Alright, so currently we have a first name, last name, email to create, but I'm going to request body dot first name, same so name. Alright, so let's just take this one out. So this is the link from render, and it is going to take us into welcome to a homepage. Oh my goodness, it's gonna do all of this. So let's check if we have because we're going to be using the API. Let's see if it's going to pull this one out for us. Yes, it did that. So let's jump into contact. So what we are doing here with the Swagger.js is we're going to try to fetch all, get all contacts. Okay, so let's see how many contacts we have there. Alright, so these are all the contacts we have, and it's about 5 contacts. Okay, so today we are going to be doing some exercise, and in this exercise we are going to post into that database. Okay, so Ernie, let's try out. So let's try posting. So let's try posting something like Pascal Anthony, and email we have Pascal, and let's say we have P Anthony at gmail.com. Okay, so favorite color we have blue, and date of birth we have 1st 1998. Alright, so this is what we are going to update. So let's execute that to see if it's working. Let's check. So I'm basically using Mongo, and we have a count of 1 to 5 in the database. So by the time we have Pascal is being added to the database, let's see if we can refresh that and see if Pascal is in our Mongo DB compass. Yes, Pascal is there right now. So, and this is his age and everything. Okay, now let's try something. Let's try to fetch the contact with the new ID. Let's see if we can fetch. Oh, come on, sorry about that. So we're gonna copy the ID for Pascal, and we are gonna check if so we're gonna check if we can get the ID, get contact by ID. So let's try it out. Down here, let's paste the ID, let's execute that. Okay, so we're able to fetch only for Pascal, get single ID, single contact. So just get the ID. So we have Pascal here, and we can see that our get by ID is working. So let's try a put. Okay, let's try out for the put, and a put we're still going to use Pascal's ID, and we are going to change some few things. Since we had Pascal, we're going to leave that. But Pascal said not Anthony but Tony, so we're going to modify it. So, and the email is not P Anthony, but it is Pascal. Okay, it said it's Pascal at gmail.com. Right, so it's making a change here. So his favorite color is no longer blue, but it is brown. So it's just BB. And birthday was incorrect for 23/November. So he's gonna have his birthday soon. So November 1990. Okay, so let's execute that and check if it's working. No response yet. Okay, all right, so we changed that. Okay, we changed that for Pascal and it is working perfectly well. So let's check if Pascal Anthony P Anthony Gmail do and all of that changed. So let's refresh to check if it changed. Yes, Pascal Tony Pascal at Gmail. So this changed. So we're able to modify that. So let's try one last step, which is delete, if it's working. So let's cancel that. Let's close this and let's open delete. Let's try it out. Let's use Pascal. We want to delete Pascal ID. So I'm deleting by ID. So I'm going to delete Pascal from the database. And alright, Pascal has been deleted. So that is the message we are getting. Okay. Now let's check if that is true, if Pascal has been deleted. Let's go to get all contact. Okay, so let's execute get all contact, and we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So we are no longer having Pascal, and let's check if that is true. Make use of it. So let's check our assignment requirement. Space grade. Okay, the contact collection for MongoDB. Oh yes, about 5 records that each have the following field: first name, email, color. All right, so exactly. So we did that. Okay, so checking from our mongo.db, first name, last name, email, favorite color, birthday, and we have about 5 data. Okay, so that's one, we passed that. So security mv file.env configuration, yes, and we hit that in .env. So we have our .env here. Alright, so we hit that too. So perfect. So what other requirement? Right, update contact, delete contact, all was exported. So that is it for week 2 assignment. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and see ya. Bye bye.